So we're speaking with Meg and Bethany, who did the workshop with the artists Kate Haywood and Becky Adams on the 4th of November. How did you find the workshop?
I enjoyed the workshop. It was cool to see they did like a presentation on their ways of working through ideas, and it was good to see the two different types, because Kate Haywood, she doesn't use a sketchbook, she posts everything on the walls, and Becky Adams almost exclusively works in sketchbooks. So it was cool to see how two different artists like develop their ideas, and that there's no like one set way, and you can still create beautiful work.
Lovely.
So that was very cool.
Yes, sounds it. Now then, did you enjoy the opportunity of working with both artists? And did you see Kate's exhibition in Mission or possibly in some of the other venues?
I didn't see her exhibition, but she brought some of her work with her, and her work is very minimal and simplistic. Well, the stuff that she brought with. And yeah, I really like that. I like working small scale.
Okay.
And yeah, she was a big influence to me on my last project I did.
Lovely.
Yeah.
And how about yourself?
Yeah, so I did see Kate Haywood's exhibition here in the Mission Gallery, and it was cool when she brought some of her work with her to be able to like, she let us touch and feel it, and the finish she has on her pieces is immaculate.
It really is. It really is. And the amount of detail she gets into each and every piece as well. What did you take away from the day? Was there anything from the workshop, the processes and so on, that influenced or inspired you? You mentioned that it really inspired some of your last pieces.
So I never thought porcelain, that we could be able to work porcelain, but then I asked our ceramics teacher if I could, and then my project was pretty porcelain based because of Kate's porcelain. Like, I loved how I don't know, like she didn't glaze many of her pieces. She just kind of like dipped maybe a bit of it in, but left the rest just plain. And yeah, I didn't know porcelain was so nice and smooth, like even if you didn't glaze it. And yeah, I found that really helpful.
Oh, brilliant.
I didn't know that before.
Brilliant. Is there anything you'd like to add at all?
During the workshop we worked a lot with collage, which I've never done before, and I found that I really enjoyed it. So ever since then, when I'm trying to think of ideas, I cut shapes out of different coloured paper, things I paint myself, and see if like arranging them in different ways can help inspire future work.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you.